11 high-income skills of the top 1% that AI cannot replace. Key capasters K there. In today's fast-paced world, where artificial intelligence is shaking things up, some skills remain truly irreplaceable. The top 1% of earners have a unique set of high-income skills that tap into human creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving. Let's dive into 10 of these standout skills. Key Cap 1. Strategic thinking and planning. Strategic thinkers are like chess masters. They analyze complex data, anticipate market trends, and craft long-term plans that align with business goals. This skill requires a level of nuanced understanding and foresight that AI can help with, but it just can't replicate. Key Cap 2. Emotional intelligence. Being able to understand and manage emotions, both your own and others, is key in leadership and teamwork. Those with high emotional intelligence shine in negotiations, conflict resolution, and building strong team dynamics.
Klawisz z cyfrą 4.
Problem solving. Creativity is a uniquely human trait, especially when it comes to tackling challenges. Professionals who think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions in unpredictable situations are highly valued, particularly in fields like marketing and design. Key Cap 5. Leadership and people management. Great leaders inspire and motivate their teams, manage diverse personalities, and navigate complex social dynamics. They create a positive work culture and drive success in ways that machines simply can't.
Klawisz z cyfrą 6.
Advanced communication skills. Whether you're writing, speaking, or using nonverbal cues, being able to convey your ideas clearly and persuasively is crucial. High-income earners often excel in storytelling and public speaking, both of which rely heavily on human connection.
Klawisz z cyfrą 7.
Negotiation skills. Negotiation is an art that blends strategy, psychology, and communication. Top earners know how to read human behavior and negotiate deals that benefit everyone involved, achieving outcomes that AI just can't replicate.
Klawisz z cyfrą 8.
Cultural competence. In our globalized world, understanding and respecting cultural differences is vital. Professionals who can navigate diverse environments and connect with people from all walks of life bring immense value to their organizations.
Klawisz z cyfrą 9.
Technical expertise. While AI is good at crunching numbers, humans excel at interpreting data in a broader context. Experts in fields like engineering and data science who can creatively apply their knowledge are in high demand. Key Cap 10. Sales mastery. Selling isn't just about transactions. It's about understanding customer needs and building relationships. High-performing sales pros tap into emotions and trust, which are crucial for closing deals, something AI struggles to do.
1.
Adaptability and resilience, ***. The ability to adapt to change and bounce back from setbacks is essential today. Top earners thrive in uncertainty and lead their teams through transitions, using their resilience to drive success. Key Cap ***. Conclusion. As the job market continues to evolve alongside technology, honing these high-income skills is essential for anyone looking to join the top 1%. While AI can boost productivity, these uniquely human abilities will always hold significant value. Investing in these skills isn't just great for personal growth, it's a solid path to sustained success in an automated world. #high-income skills, #emotional intelligence, #leadership, #creative thinking,